Across millennia, humanity has sought something more than just knowledge. We've yearned for wisdom, a deeper understanding of ourselves, our world, and our place within it. This is the story of that quest, a journey through time, tracing the timeless thread of wisdom. Our journey begins on the banks of the Nile, in the vibrant city of Thebes. Hatshepsut, a pharaoh of exceptional intellect, understood that true power wasn't forged through conquest, but through wise governance. Her focus, prosperity, achieved through diplomacy and strategic alliances. Her legacy, a stable and flourishing kingdom. Scribes like Thotmes recognized the wisdom in her decrees, realizing that lasting power stemmed from understanding the interconnectedness of society. We travel to ancient Greece, to the bustling agora of Athens. Socrates, a philosopher whose wisdom lay in his relentless questioning, challenged conventional thinking. Know thyself, he urged, believing that true wisdom began with acknowledging the limits of one's own knowledge. His method, a catalyst for self-discovery, ignited a spark in his student Plato, who would carry the torch of philosophical inquiry for generations to come. Eastward, along the Silk Road, we encounter Nagarjuna, a Buddhist monk whose wisdom transcended cultural boundaries. His teachings on emptiness, sunyata, offered a profound understanding of impermanence, a path to liberation from suffering. His ideas, like seeds carried by the wind, took root across Asia, demonstrating the power of wisdom to offer solace and enlightenment. The Renaissance, a rebirth of art, science, and human potential. Leonardo da Vinci, the quintessential Renaissance man, embodied wisdom in his boundless curiosity. Artist, inventor, scientist, he saw connections where others saw divisions. His relentless pursuit of knowledge fueled innovation and laid the groundwork for future scientific revolutions. Fast forward to the modern era, to the heart of technological innovation. Grace Hopper, a pioneer in computer programming, possessed the wisdom to see the transformative potential of computers. She championed making technology accessible to everyone. Her vision democratized access to information, shaping the digital age and connecting the world in ways previously unimaginable. From pharaohs to programmers, these figures represent just a few threads in the rich tapestry of wisdom. Their stories remind us that the pursuit of wisdom is a continuous journey, a journey that enriches not only the individual but all of humanity. Wisdom is not merely the accumulation of knowledge, but the ability to apply that knowledge with understanding, compassion, and a vision for the greater good. It's about asking the right questions, seeking deeper truths, and using our knowledge to create a better future. The quest for wisdom continues. It's a journey each of us must embark on, a journey that holds the key to unlocking our full potential and creating a world where knowledge and wisdom work hand in hand.